Hello everyone, welcome back to our crochet basic series. So far we have learned the single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet. So in this video we are going to learn how to make the treble crochet stitches. So let's start the treble crochet stitches. So I have made already 14 chain stitches. So for the treble crochet we need to add 4 chain stitches as our turning chain. So if you are getting confused, let's mark our last chain. Okay, then we will add 4 chain stitches as our turning chain. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have made our 4 turning chains. Then we need to do the treble crochet in this marked stitch. So the treble crochet starts a little differently, like instead of yarn over once, we are going to yarn over twice. Okay, so let's yarn over 1, then we need to yarn over twice. It's 2. Okay, then we will insert the hook in this stitch. Okay. Oops. Yes. Okay, then yarn over, pull the loop. So here we have 4 loops on our hook. So we need to yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. So now we have 3 loops on the hook. We need to yarn over, pull through another 2 loops. Then last we have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through these 2 loops. So we have made our first treble crochet stitch. So we will do it again. Yarn over 1, yarn over twice. Then insert the hook into the chain, pull up the loop. So we have 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. Then we have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. See the treble crochet stitch, it's even taller than our double crochet stitches. So we will complete this row with the treble crochet stitch. Yarn over twice, insert your hook in the next stitch, pull up the loop. We have 4 loops on our hook. Then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, then yarn over, pull through 2. See, we have finished our first row of our treble crochet stitch. See, we can see how tall it's each stitch. So now we will start our second row. For second row we need to add 4 chain stitch as our turning chain. So 1, 2, 3, then 4. So we add 4 chain stitch as our turning chain. Then we will turn our work. Okay, we need to yarn over twice. Then we will insert the hook into the stitch which is after our 4 turning chain stitches. So we will insert in the first stitch, then pull up the loop. We have 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, then yarn over, pull through 2, then yarn over, pull through 2, and we will yarn over twice. Then we will insert the hook, pull up the loop, So we will complete the second row. So here we have finished our 2 rows of the treble crochet stitches. So you can see the closer shot. So let's compare the stitches we have learned. This is our treble crochet stitches which we learned today, and this is our double crochet stitch, and this is the half double crochet, and this is our single crochet stitches. And the single crochet stitch is the shortest one, and the half double crochet is a little taller than the single crochet. Then the double crochet is taller again, and the triple crochet is the tallest among these 4 stitches. And this triple crochet stitches is mostly using to make a lightweight blankets, shawls, and the lace pattern, because this is the tallest one, so your project grows fast and it's more open and airy the fabric becomes. So for the shawls and blankets we can use this treble crochet stitch. In today's video we have learned how to make the treble crochet stitches, and you can practice a few times so you will be comfortable with the hand movements and the treble crochet stitches. So in the next video we will learn how to make the slip stitch. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Happy crocheting.